There's a very high chance that most of us will never use a physical copy of the dictionary for the rest of our lives ever again.
The hardest part of prank calling nowadays is finding someone who will answer their phone.
Hockey is actually a water sport.
Humans getting to know the universe is actually the universe getting to know itself.
We're on a floating rock, just a speck in the universe, and we all somehow have credit scores.
The entire chore of folding clothes wouldn't exist if wrinkled clothes were fashionable.
Water park urinals are used less than any other urinals.
Goosebumps are most likely just gibberish in Braille.
10 a.m. and 12 a.m. both come before 11 a.m.
In ancient times, people in tropical countries lived their whole lives without ever knowing about ice.
A 5-second massage is worse than no massage.
Being known as a bad liar is better than being known as a good liar.
Comedians don't get enough credit for not laughing at their own jokes.
All birds are pilots.
Future ghosts will speak through Ouija boards and slang.
In 100 years, there will be a completely new set of people in every city.
A father being proud of his son isn't as important as the son thinking that his father is proud of him.
Payment terms for many millennials' first mortgage will extend beyond their planned retirement date.
The game Hangman is a fairly grim way of teaching kids how to spell.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Cheesecake is a pie.
Monopoly has a monopoly on Monopoly games.
When you write on paper, you make the paper slightly heavier.
Black licorice is candy Vegemite.
People are defined by what they do, but what they don't do is equally important.
Pancakes have absolutely no standard size.
Running to catch the ice cream truck too often will eventually make you too fat to catch the ice cream truck.
Burgers are well-rounded sandwiches.
You are never actually lost if you don't know where you are going.
Most of the things you own will exist longer than you.
Considering the vast amount of information at our fingertips, justifying ignorance is getting ever more difficult.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.